My name is Randy Stevens here at Step 1 Buick GMC of Pensacola, here to help you set up your phone on the Buick Enclave Sport Touring. So we're going to set up our phone. First thing we're going to do is push the phone icon here on the screen, click Manage Phones, and then you want to do is add device. Most important thing, you want to make sure your Bluetooth device is on your phone. It's going to tell you to select Buick 5345. It might be a different number on different Buicks, but once you select that, it's going to ask you to pair the phone. It's going to give you a set of numbers, about 6 different numbers. Make sure they match on your phone with the screen. Click pair, and you're going to either have an Apple or you're going to have an Android, and it's going to say, do you want to pair your device with your contacts and everything showing? You can decide if you want to, and then we'll go from there. Your phone's all connected. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at Step 1 Buick GMC of Pensacola. My name is Randy Stevens.